Happy Thanksgiving! Happy Thanksgiving! Welcome to all my subscribers. Well, it's that time of year again, Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Welcome to all my subscribers. As this day that we remember back to the first Thanksgiving in 1621, the Plymouth colony, people came together to celebrate survival, which at that time meant not dying immediately. The indigenous peoples of North America, with the resigned patience of teachers of poorly behaved school children, brought venison, corn, and actual competence. Governor William Branford, at the time, gave a speech about the bountiful harvest, and at that time, a turkey ran through the camp and scared everyone. Once that was settled down, the meal continued. With a cheerful, food was shared, peace affirmed, and a sense of this could have been much worse settled over the diners. When the meal concluded, the pilgrims were full. The indigenous people of the North America were tolerant, which concluded the first Thanksgiving, a day of gratitude and mutual assistance. A tradition was born, food, fellowship, and the shared idea that with good intentions and chaos, everybody survives. Thank you. Have a good Thanksgiving, and we'll catch you on the next one.